New to our Energy Saving Devices product line is the half-light ballast controller. This unique controller saves up to 50% of energy consumed by lighting. The half-light installs directly into the ballast channel of a 2-ballast fluorescent light fixture. With wiring diagrams inside the product box, the half-light only takes a few minutes to install. Once the half-light is installed, use an existing wall switch to turn the light fixture on. The half-light always defaults to its lowest light level. As you can see, 2 of the 4 bulbs are lit, and this is generally enough light. However, if more light is needed, simply turn the light fixture off and back on within 8 seconds of the first switch on. Now all 4 bulbs are lit for full light. After 8 seconds, the sequence restarts itself, so the half-light always defaults to its 2-bulb minimum light level. We also have a model designed to work with 6-bulb fluorescent fixtures. This model has 3 stages, either 2, 4, or all 6 bulbs on. For less than $30 installed, the half-light is a low-cost, highly effective way to reduce energy consumed by lighting up to 50%.
To find half-light products on alpscontrols.com, click the manufacturer's link at the top of our homepage and scroll until you find functional devices in the alphabetical listing. Under the category Lighting Systems and Controls, click Specialty Controllers Switches. And on the next page, you'll see the half-light products listed as HAF2 and HAF3.